Hi everyone, lovely to
Hi.
see you.
Hi Ruth.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to my drawing class. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to set you a couple of really quick exercises to get you into your painting practice. So first of all, just choosing a colour which really makes you feel uplifted. And straight away, when you drop into your painting practice, it's like a time to think, okay, what kind of line am I interested in making today? So is it going to be quite a watery line that you're interested in? Or do you want something quite fine and defined? Or do you want a dry brush? Some people like a dry brush with a lot of paint on. There's quite a lot of variety within just one colour and painting these 2 or 3 objects. And I want you to really embrace that variety. So there's also the option of breaking up the line. So sort of series of dashes and dots.
I quite like the marks I'm making, but it doesn't look a whole lot like the things I'm drawing. Is that an issue? I mean, yeah, it's representing something, but it's not really, doesn't really look exactly like what I'm trying to draw.
I think that's okay. I think it's absolutely fine. I think really you're painting and you've got the objects to support your painting. It's not like you're a slave. It's not like you have to record in a photographic way. It's more, okay, can we make something colourful today? And these objects are there to just inspire you. They don't have to kind of lock you in. So I think that's absolutely fine. Yeah, and lots and lots and lots of artists do that. They just have the starting point and then they go from there with whatever colours and lines that works for them. If you want to show me your work, I would love to see it. Alice, thank you. Right, I'm going to spotlight you, and if you'd like to say anything, you need to unmute yourself. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so gorgeous. I really understand why you chose those colours. They're really, really friendly and upbeat. The variety of marks are beautiful.
Thank you, Ruth. Yeah, I enjoyed when you were saying about using different textures. I enjoyed with the mushroom being like and being quite dry and then really watery for the metal. It was nice to have that suggestion.
Yeah, it's lovely. And I really like what you've done with the background as well, with those squares.
That's the window and the door. And like they were quite similar, like squares in the room. Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
I didn't really kind of do many textures.
How did you manage to do that in 10 minutes? That's amazing.
Yeah, I was trying to get texture in the fruit, but it all kind of messed up a little bit. But
I feel like you've got quite a lot of variety with the blue mark of the floor in comparison to the more washy marks of the, you know, like the shadow on the fruit. And then if you compare that with the detail on the top of the jug, you have got a lot of different variety of mark there.
Okay. So I wasn't really sure how to go about it. So
it's beautiful.
So I just made some of the paints sort of stronger than the other paints. So
yeah, that's it. Yeah, you've done it. Well done.
Okay. Thanks.
How'd you get on?
Yeah, okay. I liked it actually, and I started off and it got quite heavy. This was the first shape, but it was a bit too much, and I enjoyed doing less and less with the other things.
Yeah, that's interesting. So you actually thought about the composition quite naturally. You just knew what it needed.
Yeah, adding a bit more detail with the second colour, I thought I'll take a bit of a different approach with the second colour.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's really strong. Really, I feel like the shadows have really helped the sense of them being on a table, on a surface. It's lovely. Well done, Will.
I think it's really lovely, Ruth, how you've always got something very positive to say to people. You know, because the work is so different from everybody. And And I think you always sort of inspire me with such lovely positive comments. They're always really friendly and they really cheer me up.
Oh, that's
So
good.
thank you.
Thanks so much, everyone. See you next week.